Welcome to the Old Coins Explorer. Here we are exploring the hidden secrets about old and valuable coins. Must watch till the end, and if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Let's start. Today we're diving deep into one of the lesser-known yet incredibly intriguing coins of the Eurozone, the 1999 France 2 euro cent coin. Though it may seem small and insignificant in everyday currency, this coin holds historical value, economic symbolism, and numismatic interest that makes it far more important than just 2 cents. Whether you're a casual collector or a passionate numismatist, this tiny copper-plated coin has a story worth telling. The euro currency was introduced in 1999 as an accounting currency, with coins and banknotes entering circulation on January 1st, 2002. However, France, like several other European Union member countries, started minting coins in preparation ahead of the official release. That's why the 1999 2 euro cent coin from France exists. It was among the very first euro coins ever minted, making it part of an important monetary transition in European history. Let's start with the physical attributes of the coin. The French 2 euro cent coin is made of copper-covered steel, giving it that reddish tone and magnetic properties. It has a diameter of 18.75 millimeters and weighs 3.06 grams. The coin is thin, just 1.67 millimeters thick, and has a plain edge with a smooth feel. These features are standard across all 2 euro cent coins of the Eurozone to maintain consistency across member states. But what truly makes this coin special lies in its design. On the common reverse side, shared with all 2 euro cent coins, you'll find the globe showing Europe in relation to Africa and Asia. It's a design by Luc Louix, a Belgian artist, and it includes a face value 2 euro cent, along with 6 fine diagonal lines behind the globe with 12 stars symbolizing the European Union. This side gives the coin its pan-European identity. Now, let's focus on what makes the French version unique. Its obverse design. Created by Laurent Joriot, a talented French engraver, the national side of the 1999 2 euro cent coin features a profile of Marianne, the symbol of the French Republic and a timeless representation of liberty and reason. Marianne wears a Phrygian cap, a traditional symbol of freedom and democracy dating back to the French Revolution. Her confident expression and forward gaze symbolize a progressive and free France within the new European framework. Surrounding her image are the 12 EU stars, the initials RF for République Française, and the year 1999 struck near the bottom. Marianne is not just a random emblem. She carries a lot of historical and emotional weight for the French people. She has been a national icon since the late 1700s and has appeared on many French stamps and coins, embodying values like liberty, equality, and fraternity. The decision to feature her on France's smallest denomination euro coins reflects France's commitment to its revolutionary values, even in the smallest details of daily life. The 1999 2 euro cent coin was minted at Monnaie de Paris, the Paris Mint, one of the world's oldest continuously running mints, founded in 864 AD. In 1999, millions of these coins were struck in anticipation of the euro's official release. That makes them common in circulation, but early mint years like 1999 are still desirable among collectors, especially in uncirculated or proof condition. Now, let's talk about value. In circulated condition, the 1999 France 2 euro cent coin is generally worth face value, just 0.02 euros, but its value can increase slightly based on condition and demand. A well-preserved uncirculated coin might fetch between 0.10 to 0.50 euros, depending on the market. However, proof versions or error coins can be worth more, sometimes a few euros each. It's not a fortune. But for coin collectors, value is not just in money. It's also in rarity, historical significance, and completeness of a collection. Some collectors also look for minting errors. These could include off-center strikes, missing plating, or incorrect planchets. While such errors are rare in modern minting, they do occasionally happen, and error coins in the early euro minting years, like 1999, are of special interest to error coin enthusiasts. Now, what about its place in the grand scheme of the euro introduction? The 1999 2 euro cent coin is historically significant because it marks the start of Europe's monetary unification. Before the euro, France used a franc. In fact, one French franc was equal to approximately 0.152 euro, and the introduction of the euro marked the end of national currencies for countries like France. This shift was not just economic but symbolic. It marked the coming together of nations under a single economic umbrella while still preserving their cultural identities on the national side of each coin. For France, choosing Marianne for the 1, 2, and 5 euro cent coins, the smallest denominations, was a way to make sure that every citizen, from the poorest to the wealthiest, carried a piece of France's revolutionary history in their pocket. It's a democratic symbol in a democratic coin.